All right, eighth grade math. This is lesson 12, solving percent problems about base. Solving percent problems about base. We have some reminders. To find the base, when you know the percent rate, you divide the amount you have by the percent rate as a decimal. Reminder, also read each problem carefully. Be sure to know what the question is. And also another reminder, sale prices means the price after the discount is subtracted from the regular price. So, the quarterback threw several passes during the game. Of those, 5 were completed in the first quarter, 6 in the second quarter, 3 in the third quarter, 4 in the fourth quarter. Of the passes the quarterback attempted, 40% were complete. How many passes did the quarterback attempt during the game? We are going to add up the number of passes in each quarter, so we got a total of 18 passes. Since we know 18 and we know it was 40%, we're going to take 18 divided by 40% and we get 45. Whoops, get 45. So 18 is 40% of 45, so 45 passes were thrown. So during the game, 12 points were scored. 12 points were scored on the field goals, which are worth 3 points. The kicker made 80% of his field goal attempts. How many field goals did he attempt? First, find the number of field goals that were successful. Since 12 points were scored, the field goals earned 3 points each. You take 12 divided by 3, we get a 4. So there were 4 field goals made. Now that you know the number, you're going to take, let me switch this to black. We're going to take 4 and we're going to divide by 80%. Remember, you have a percent key on your calculators. When I take 4 divided by 80 and then percent, I get that there were 5 goals attempted. All right, so make sure you have all of this information copied down before going on to the next page. All right, eighth grade. We have some word problems where we have to figure out what information we're looking for. So in the first problem, on the softball team, Eva had 8 more at-bats last week than Mary did. Mary had 15 hits, which was 25% of her at-bats. How many at-bats did Eva have? So we want to know how many bats Eva had. So when I switch over here, we're going to take 15 because that's Mary's. And then we're going to divide that by 25%. And that's divided by. And when I do that, I get an answer of 60. So she had 60 at bats. But I want to know how many Eva had. And Eva had 8 more than her. That means I'm going to add 8. So when I do that, I get 68 bats. Okay. So we just got to read and do what it's asking. On this next one, Akeem bought a portable CD player for $21 off the regular price. This was a discount of 15%. What was the sale price of the CD player? So if I do this and I take 21, because that's how much dollars it is, divide by my percent, which was 15%, I get 140, which that was my original price. So now I have to subtract the money that was taken off in order to get my sale price of $119. So you are going to finish the last 6 problems here, 4 through 9. Read them carefully. Do what it asks. If you have questions, please check in with me during office hours. Now, if you guys are watching this video, you get a break. We are going to not do this last problem. You're going to exit out. And then you're going to put my initials right there that says, hey, Mrs. Chamberlain said not to do this. So you Have good luck when you're finished with the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me when Canvas. Have fun. See you guys later.